Today we're featuring a 2012 Honda Civic EX. It's got 61,000 miles on it. It's polished metal metallic in color. Alright, it's a local trade. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle here. We'll start on the driver's side. Alright, it is equipped with sunroof. Driver's side of the Civic's in good shape. Everything looks good back here on the rear of the vehicle. Make our way down the passenger side. Alright, exterior of this Civic's in fantastic shape. It's a 2012, 61,000 miles on it. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Okay. Got the gray door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Okay, it does have the nice thick gray floor mats. Okay, gray cloth seats. Driver's seat's in good shape, no problems at all there. It does have the sunroof. Go ahead and give you a shot of that. Alright, it does come with a keyless entry key fob. And then here in the center armrest, you've got your power outlet and USB port. Passenger seat cloth's in great shape. Alright, it's a non-smoker's car. Smells really good in here, almost like a brand new car. It's been well taken care of. Alright, automatics, got your auxiliary and power outlet down there as well. Climate control area, AM, FM, CD player, and then you're going to have your radio and mileage display up here, and we'll show you that in just a second. It also has steering wheel radio controls, alright, and then Bluetooth. And then you got your Econ button right here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 61,085 miles on it. Alright, it does have the digital speedometer there. And I'll go ahead and pan out a little bit, kind of give you an idea. There's a really nice layout here in these Civics with a nice blue light. It's got the digital speedometer. Okay. Once again, AM, FM, CD player. All right, we've got your climate control area lit up now. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. All right, let's go ahead and take a look in the back seat. Door panels here look good. Back seat carpet's in good shape, no staining back here. Alright, back seat cloth looks good. Everything's in such good condition. 2012, 61,000 miles on it, and this thing is just immaculate inside and out. Alright, go ahead and give you a shot of the driver's eye view here of the layout of the dash. Alright, let's take a look at your trunk space. Carpet back here looks good. You can see how much room you have back here in the Civic. There's a ton of room. Okay, you got your spare tire and your jack right there. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. 16-inch alloys. All right, alloys are in great shape. Tires look good, plenty of tread left on them. All right, once again, it's a 2012, 61,000 miles on it. It's a local trade. This thing's in fantastic shape. Exterior, interior, everything's well taken care of. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.